So welcome back, everyone. I wanted to take a moment to discuss some really exciting news that we have going on the At Home with Zane store. I was recently able to put out a very small video clip sharing with all of you the exciting news of our newest collection on the store, which is our kitchen collection. And between now and Sunday, the 22nd of July, if you purchase any item from our kitchen collection, you receive 15% off of your entire purchase. And we have a lot of really nice, new, really exciting items that we've added to this collection. And so I want to share with you a few of the items in this collection that I think are some of my absolute favorite. So the first piece is this 6-piece set of stackable ceramic ramekins. I think these are perfect whenever you want to create a small dish. They're perfect if you want to use them for dipping sauces or if you want to use them for relishes. They're just perfect, and you get a set of 6, and they're stackable. They're white, so they're going to go with everything. These are absolutely one of my favorite pieces in our new collection. So with that 6-piece set of ramekins, as I said, you get 6, they're stackable, they're white, they're gonna go with any of your dinner occasions. I personally love to use them whenever I'm entertaining for relishes and dips. I like to use those to just sort of set around and put relish, dip, things like that in there, especially if it's something that has a really big impact and you don't need a lot of it on a cracker or something to that effect. Then those work out perfectly. Also, when you're entertaining, a set of 6 is perfect because you can set one at each place setting, and you can give someone their own little individual nuts, or you could give them their own individual candies, and you can present them in these small ramekins that work absolutely beautifully whenever you're entertaining. So the next thing that I want to share with you is our kitchen aprons. Now, we do have a different variety of kitchen aprons on here, but my favorite are the black and the blue striped European aprons. These are full-length adult aprons, and I think that they are so classic and so timeless, and they really are going to work with every type of decor style, whether it's modern, traditional, whether it's farmhouse. It just has a really nice chic look, and these are on my top list of favorite things we've added to the At Home with Zane collection. So with the aprons, they are my favorites, right up there in the top list of things that I absolutely love. I handpicked these for a reason. I love that they have the large pocket in the front. I love that they're also unisex. They are labeled on the website as being men's aprons, and the reason why is because, number one, the photograph portrays the apron with a male in it, but also there are so many there's such a variety of aprons out there for women, and men are so limited. And so I really feel like I wanted these to be geared towards those men that love to cook. But ladies, they work perfectly as a woman's apron as well. And we do have another apron style on that's a very farmhouse style apron. It is a strap around. It's very, very, very sort of flowing and perfect. It just imitates that farmhouse look so beautifully. And we also have another apron that could be unisex, and it is our boutique apron, and it's for women or men as well. So we have a nice variety of aprons on our store. Be sure and check those out. So the next thing I want to share are these gorgeous rose gold measuring spoons with the wooden handles. You guys, if you love baking and you really love the look of rose gold, I've never seen anything quite like these beautiful rose gold measuring spoons with wooden handles. They're going to be attractive to set out on your countertop, but they're also going to be very functional. So these are definitely one of my favorites. I love these. Right now, 15% off of anything in this collection would be the time for you to snag these up, especially if you're getting ready to gear into holiday baking mode. These are going to be perfect, they're going to be beautiful, and they're going to be functional. So the measuring spoons, again, they are one of my favorites. We also have measuring cups that match. And if you love that rose gold look and you love the natural look of the handles, I've never seen anything quite like these, and they're absolutely exquisite. They're one of my favorite things on our store. Take advantage of the 15% off and get those now. I think that they're really going to be impressive if you set them out on your countertop and you have a beautiful way to display them, but they're also going to be extremely functional, and they're going to work well whenever you're doing all of your holiday baking. The next thing that I want to share is this gorgeous metal cake stand that's silver. If we are talking about ultra exquisite, beautiful, gorgeous, unique, lovely, timeless, classic, sophisticated, the list just goes on with this cake stand. Again, another item I've never really seen. This is beautiful. I think it's both feminine and masculine. I think it would work in any decor style that you have. You're going to bring this out for every occasion, for every holiday, and it's something that you can also set out as an exquisite, beautiful decor piece. The silver cake stand is by far one of my favorite items on our store. I love that it's so unique and it has such a beautiful, elegant, rustic look. If you're looking for that look of sophistication and style, but you also really like that sort of rustic, beautiful, elegant, classic look, this cake stand is unique and exquisite and beautiful, and you get all of those elements all in one. Next up is our quality of life breadboards. They are made out of beechwood, and I love these because, once again, they're large. You have two different sizes to choose from, and I think that they have a unique style for displaying. So for those of you who love to use those wooden cutting boards, this is environmentally safe. It is eco-friendly. It is also an antibacterial, so whenever you wash it, you're going to be able to use it without having to worry about that. Two sizes to choose from. Again, it's beautiful for displaying, and it's also extremely functional. So I love these breadboards. I think that they are exquisite just for displaying, but again, they're functional, they're environmentally safe, antibacterial. Whenever you clean them, you're going to be able to use a mild antibacterial soap on them, and you can reuse them regardless of what you have used in cutting them, what you've cut on them. You can reuse them again, and I think that they're really just a beautiful nod to that traditional sort of farmhouse, down-home cooking, and these are perfect. Take advantage of the 15% off, two sizes to choose from, and you could take both or either one of those home today. Lastly, on my favorite list are these adorable timers. You're going to have your choice of a white bear, a blue bear, a white cow, or a blue cow. And I think that these are just adorable, and they're so unique, and they're so charming, and I absolutely love the fact that you're going to have a variety in animal choices, but also a variety in colors. So if you're someone like me who loves to bake and you like that old traditional setting that timer, there's nothing quite like having that timer that you just give a good turn and you wait to hear it ding. Most all of our ovens nowadays have a timer on them. All of our phones have timers, but there's just something so nostalgic about having that timer that you twist and you just hear that ding go off, and it just reminds you of grandma baking or your mother baking, and it sort of brings you back to those childhood memories. I love to use my kitchen timer whenever I'm baking. Give it a good twist, wait to hear it go off, and I just absolutely love it. And so if you're looking for something that's going to be functional and also something that's got a really nice, adorable charm to it, these timers are absolutely perfect. And again, they come in a variety of animal styles. You've got your white bear and your blue bear, and you've got your white cow and your blue cow, and they're so charming and they're so cute. So if you are someone who still likes to use that old traditional timer method, pick these up now while they're on sale. So I wanted to take a moment to dive in with you into this collection. Rather than just putting out the small video clip announcing the collection, I wanted to share with you a little bit more in-depth information about what some of my favorites are. I have handpicked everything that is in this collection, so it all has some sort of a personal meaning to me. I've looked at everything from not only an aesthetics standpoint, but also functionality. And so take advantage of the 15% off. It's through the 22nd, 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. That sale will end, but between now and then, go check out that collection and you get 15% off of your entire purchase when you visit the kitchen collection. In addition to the kitchen collection, though, we have so many wonderful new items that we've added to the store. And for all you ladies out there that are going crazy over these sunglasses, you know who you are. You've seen them out there. They're extremely, extremely popular. We have actually sold out of some of the colors, and there's still so many other color options to choose from, and they're just as popular now as they were the day that we put them on the store. I posted a small video clip of the large diva-sized oversized sunglasses. They're large diva oversized sunglasses, and right now the brown and the gold, so classic, so timeless, so retro, is one of our most popular colors, but we do have a variety of colors in those as well. And then we have also our really best-selling sunglasses, which are the Glam Bling sunglasses with the pink lens, or the black with the black lens, and there's a variety of colors to choose from there as well. I cannot stress enough, if you're interested in these sunglasses, ladies, grab them now while you can. I'm seeing some of these colors that are being depleted. They're sold out, and then the supplier's not bringing them back. I shared this in a previous video, so don't lose out if you really are truly interested in those. I've shared those recently, so go over and check that out as well. We have some lovely new handbags. There's so many exciting new things going on the At Home with Zane store all the time. And for all of you, I want to take a moment right now to acknowledge and appreciate each and every one of you who appreciate the time I take to come on here and share this information with all of you. There are so many of you who are not on social media. Many people don't understand that. Everybody thinks that everyone's on Facebook and Instagram and Pinterest and Twitter and all these different social media sites. In fact, that is not true. There are so many of you young ladies and young men and our older generation who have come to me and said, the only way I learn anything new about your store is through your YouTube videos. So for those of you who love the At Home with Zane content of the DIYs and the shop and shares and the thrift hauls, I love and appreciate all of you as well. You've been around for a long time. I hope you will continue to stick around. As you know, I did some baking videos recently. I shared some Dollar Tree candles that I found recently. So the content is still there, and it will always continue to be. But you have to understand that there are a lot of people out there who look to my YouTube channel to find out what is going on the At Home with Zane store. You can go to the store and look, but to find out about those special deals, to find out a little bit more in-depth information, to perhaps see some pictures. When I purchase an item myself and I have it physically in my hands and I want to share it with all of you, that is the opportunity that these people get. And so while I have to acknowledge all of you who love the DIYs and the home decor and the thrift hauls and the shop and shares, I also have to acknowledge my At Home with Zane store family as well. And so I try to put those two things in together so that I can make sure that each and every one of you get the same amount of attention. And oftentimes I don't have time to do a full video like I'm doing right now, and so I will put something out there for you just to let you know about what's going on. But I love these intimate conversations that we get to have, and the ability for me to share this information with all of you one-on-one, because I cannot stress enough. And for those of you who have known me from day one, and for those of you who are new to my channel and have recognized this, I never ever lose sight of the appreciation that I have for each and every one of you. I take the time to comment back to every single person that comments on my videos when the time permits. I like to have that one-on-one engagement, and even though my channel has grown, I still give that intimate one-on-one identification to each and every one of you whenever I can, and that's my way of saying I appreciate all of you. So for those of you who look to these videos to learn about my store, learn about what's new, and you appreciate the time that I take to share this information with all of you, I just want to say that I appreciate all of you taking the time to watch the video, learn about the store, go over and visit the store, and then for all of you who have actually patronized the store, I appreciate all of you so, so much. I cannot express the gratitude and love and appreciation that I have for you. So thank you all so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Check out my video description for links to all my social media sites, my Instagram, my Pinterest, my Facebook. The At Home with Zane online store is also in there. I'm going to include a separate link in this video description to the At Home with Zane store and also to the kitchen collection. So if you're interested in just checking out the kitchen collection, you can go directly there. So again, thank you all so much for watching. I love and appreciate each and every one of you. I hope you have a wonderful week. Thank you again, and we'll look for you the next time.